Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got an interesting little lock here. It's a key lock where you can slide this up and put a key in there, and you can attach it to a door or some other fixture. And the code for this one, we'll take that off. We don't need that right now. But the shackle is 7186. This actually has some cool features to it where you cannot slide up. If you're rotating up, you cannot go past 0. So they say that that's good for doing it in dimly lit or in the dark locations. So if you want to open the shackle, you just dial it to 716. 7186. And there you have it. And I'm not sure what kind of locking mechanism is in here. I don't know if there's a locking pawl or a ball bearing or what's in here. I assume it's on this left-hand side. But there's nothing right here. And then if you want to do the door, it's just up 3 from that. So 1, 2, 3 on each one. And now you can slide this in and have your key. So we'll go back to 7, 1, 8, 6. And I'll show you how I learned how to decode it. What you do to change the combination is you turn this right here. And once you change the shackle code, that'll automatically change the door code as well. So what I will do is I have this turned, and I'll just kind of scramble these. I have no idea where it is, and you lock it back up. I'll put that down there. And now it should be all locked up. And I'm spinning them downward. Okay, now just to make sure, we will try 7, 1, 8, 7, 6 to make sure that I did it correctly. Make sure I changed it correctly. All right, and then 0, 4, 1, 9, and that doesn't work, and this does not work. So what we'll do is we will turn these all to 0. The easy way. Just go up and start spinning. And what I am going to use is this little pick that I made out of, it's a probe more than a pick, that I made out of 10,000ths feeler gauge, and then I put it in this maroon type of micarta, paper micarta, and then I put oak dowels in here. This is not exactly clean. It has some damage to it, but it works pretty well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this probe in here and kind of slide it around and move until I find a little spot that feels just like a little groove. And I'm trying to make sure that these numbers are clicked in place. And I think this is it, 6. We're going to check though. We're going to check all of them. And again, 6. I should have written that down. That's why I have a pad of paper, because I don't exactly have the best memory here. Okay, so 4, 5, and 6. Now what I'm feeling in there, if you can imagine that pick or probe coming in, it's almost like I'm feeling this. It's kind of sliding over the edges, but then right here it gets stuck in there when I'm on the right one. Otherwise, it just kind of feels like I'm doing that if it's the wrong one. Now this is, I've found what's called a gate, and now we're going to write that down so I do not forget. 6. That does not feel good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Well, is it 9? It is. I feel that little dip. So 9. Now for the third wheel. Whoop. We're going to go back to 1 here. Not sure. I'm not sure about 1. It was odd that I was able to move it pretty easily to the next number. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's 9. I'm going to check 0 again, and 1, because I had a question mark on those. Okay, so I'm going to go to 9. That would be funny. I think that's it. Now, this last one. I don't think that's 0. So, 9. Gotta write that down. Now you got to make sure you're clicked in place here. Make sure each number that you're checking is all the way centered. Because right now I'm having some trouble finding this. You know, I think it might be right there. You know what? There it is. It's 1. I missed it the first time. This end wheel, the probe gets just a little bit stuck. It's maybe just a little bit too thick at about 9 or 10 thousandths. Alright, so I don't think that's it. And this does not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to move each of these up. One at a time. And check each combination. And check both the wheel, check the door, and the shackle. Oh, I gotta move this back. Okay, that's where I am. I need to start again at 6991 and then make sure I'm going down, because as I said, the zeros will not let you go past them if you're going in the up direction. And there it is. Okay, so that means that the combination is, this is where the gate is, so the combination is 1 4 4 6, and this is the shackle. So if the same holds true for it being 3 numbers higher, if the door combination is three numbers higher for each one, it would be 4 7 7 9. So we're going to see if that is correct. And look at that. There it is. All right, well, that is the SHURLOK key combination lock holder. And yeah, so very fun, very interesting. Just kind of use the basic methods of probing and checking for gates, and you can figure these out. Thanks for watching. Everybody be good and be well.